Yes, there is po, no? There's a committee, there's a, management also, no? Like I said, we have a stats performance, and definitely you see these guys in the coming maybe weeks or maybe month na yung mga recommended athletes. But of course, there's a certain number of slots also po in the national team. I hope you understand din po na we can just put a lot of these guys po. But definitely there's a process in place, there's a recommendations in place, probations in place. Probations meaning there are athletes na we need to level up also. Not just because you're part of the national team, na safe ka rin, dapat at least need ko sa higher standards din po tayo.
Yes nga sir, kasi sayang sayang yung ginagawa namin grassroots program, yung resulta naman doon, hindi natin nai-aakyat para sa national team. No?
Yes po, meron naman po.
Thank you, Sir Jess.
No problem po.
Morning, Ate Servini from Bulgar. I'd just like to get your reaction from a published article that World Athletics will be giving financial incentives to the winners of the coming Olympics.
Yes po. Di ko po nakita yung published article, but definitely it will be a great help. I believe in every athlete we need resources also. So for strengthening, to training, to pay for the coach, and everything you do, to be in this level, you need resources, you need like support. We've been supporting, but of course, the more support that we can get, the better. Yun po, ako, I don't have any problems with World Athletics providing. Actually, it's a good thing po. They've been supportive. Yun po.
Good morning, Gab Pera, Sports Corner. And hello din kay Kombong ko na dumaan po dyan kanina sa may VIP Hall. Kakausapin ko pa lang si Lauren Opman at dinetalye dun sa mga previous interviews na nagkaroon ata ng tendon injury. So, minomonitor pa rin yung kalagayan ni Lauren to make sure na pagdating sa Paris Olympics 100% ready na si Miss Lauren.
Yes, the reason why, of course, she moved also today, she's checking also with yung mga doctors also, para at least pagdating niya in Paris, she's 100% ready. So there's, even John is already ganun din conditioning also himself, he's pagdating nila in terms of Paris, hopefully they're 100% po.
Outside of the Olympic SEA Games naman tayo, as early as now, may mga athletes na nagtangka na masungkit yung bronze medal standard qualifying time for the SEA Games. And one of them, si Carlos de Imus. Kung nabasa niyo sa Sports Corner, si Carlos po, pang-apat po doon sa ASEAN University Games, doon sa race walk, at nakuha niya yung SEA Games bronze medal standard time. Are you considering itong si Carlos and even yung mga iba pang athletes na mapasama sa training pool para makapasok niya sa SEA Games, especially doon sa sa discipline niya na race walk?
Yes po, like I said, we have a process in place. All the performance are noted as long as it's sanctioned by World Athletics. So there are competitions that are not sanctioned. So it means it's not, validated. So that's a different part. But of course, there's another part na, for example, nakahit. So we have to check it also. But it's already noted. Yun lang po din yung ma-answer ko doon. But the name is already part of the stats. But yun lang po. For example, in other competitions, for example, it's not sanctioned, but you hit a certain time. So it won't be validated because it's not sanctioned. So yun din po yung medyo technical in terms of competitions din.
Lastly, of course, inaabangan natin itong Patapa Weekly Relays na magsisimula sa susunod na buwan. Ito yung parang center hub na rin for the grassroots program
Yes,
ng
po.
Patapa. So ano ba mga dates ng Patapa Weekly Relays? Kailan yung finals? And na-expect natin na mas marami ang mga sasali doon sa Patapa Weekly Relays na nakatulong na malaki for the grassroots program ng Patapa. Thank you.
So, yun din po, we will post the final schedule, but if I'm not mistaken, we'll start on July 27. Then the finals will be end of October. So, it'll be weekly session every Saturday, and there's an under 18 also for the grassroots. And yun, all their performance is shown by World Athletics. So, technically it's validated, so we can see already like the potential ones, the ones we can develop and help. But yun, the stats actually it helps us discover these athletes. Hopefully in Palaro there will be potential. Definitely there will be potential athletes. No, definitely.
Follow-up lang po doon kay Eric. Did he reach out to Patapa for his plans to return?
Well, yeah, we've been in talks, no, but definitely he actually, we have a competition this November. It's Asian Indoor Martial Arts Games. So we have recommendations and lineups in place also, and he still wants, of course, to be there, no? And he's qualified to be there also. But in terms of his retirement, I'll